All right, guys, got a really cool car for you today. This is a 1968 Chevrolet Camaro hardtop. It's a big block SS car, 3-speed automatic, turbo 400. It's got factory air, power front disc brakes, and power steering, dual exhaust. This is a cool car, white with black vinyl top. Coming to the interior here, red vinyl. It's got the deluxe interior option. Most of this interior is believed to be fairly original. The seats are believed to be original, as well as the console, but everything is in really good shape. Look at that steering wheel. It is in excellent condition. That steering wheel is original as well. You can see a little bit of patina in here on it, but it is in just impeccable condition. Hop in and fire it up for you guys. It's got the tach, speedometer, got your wipers. This does have the center gauge package. Really cool. Got your radio.
I want to remind you, being a homeowner is even more expensive than being...
And this is a factory air car. You got your dash vents, you got your controls here. I'm gonna flip the AC on, even though it is a little cold out here today. I'll show you guys what we're working with here. I think I just heard the compressor kick on. Fan. Let it run for a little while. Got a horn here. This car also does come with its original Protec-O-Plate, which is pretty cool to see. Alright, right there you can see our AC compressor. The clutch is engaged. I'm gonna turn the AC off now. Under the hood here, you got your big block Chevrolet engine. This is a 396, 325 horse, which would have been the base engine option. Oh, sorry about that on the camera. So this would have been the base big block SS engine option. It has been rebuilt. It is running awesome. Tons of power. Transmission shifts really good. This engine has been rebuilt, and in the process, it appears the engine has been decked. So there are no numbers on the engine pad down there for where the VIN number would have been, unfortunately. So the engine, we cannot prove it to be the numbers matching engine. It is considered a replacement engine. Sharp, clean body lines. Fit and finish is really nice. This car has been totally restored on the undercarriage, as well as the paint and body, engine bay. Some of the interior is original, as we were talking about. I mean, look at that dash. That dash is just gorgeous. Black vinyl top is in excellent condition. Really nice, correct wheels and hubcaps. Listen to that exhaust. Just awesome. Body overall is in really good condition. The fit on most of the panels are very nice. There. This gap up here is a little wide on the top, not terrible. A little bit of paint touch up in here. Go around to the front of the car, and it is just awesome. This car just shows way too nice. Come around to this gap over here, and it's very nice and even. Same as we move back to the back here. Someone unfortunately opened this door on a curb down here. Keep that in mind. Not very noticeable though. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Remember, this is a 1968 Camaro SS big block that's about to hit our showroom floor. It's got factory AC, recently gone through and recharged with R134A, power front disc brakes, power steering, newish set of BF Goodrich radial TA tires. This car's turnkey, running great, ready for its next owner. Give us a call, 720-465-5104, or call us at carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks.